Hi, this is Albert Nixon, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Today I am going to discuss about alkenes. First, introduction about alkenes. Alkene is the simplest form of the unsaturated hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Alkenes containing one or more reactive double bonds between carbon-carbon atoms. The presence of the double bond is indicated by the change of ending from N to in. In the case of alkane, we put ane. Here alkene we put in alkene. An older form of the name ethylene is used in industry. Alkenes are also known as olefins. They are commonly known as olefins. The nomenclature of alkenes. So nomenclature is an art. There are certain rules. The first rule is identification of the longest continuous chain containing the carbon-carbon double bond is necessary. The parent name of the alkene compound will be similar to its corresponding alkane. Just the suffix "-ene" will replace the suffix "-ene" in the case of alkene. Suffix "-ene" represented the double bond of the alkene. Rule number 2 is the number of the carbon atom starts on the side nearest to the double bond of the continuous chain. 3 is it is important to specify the location as well as the name of any substituent molecule present in the compound. For example, any chloro, bromo, any substitution must be added. Rule number 4 is another important rule to note in the nomenclature of an alkene is to correctly indicate the three-dimensional relationship of the organic compound in the case of the given alkene. This means that whether the compound containing double bond present in the cis or trans conformation. So in the alkane we do not know this is we cannot explain cis or trans. Here alkene there are cis and trans isomer are there, so we should mention correctly whether it is cis or trans. So structure of alkenes, these are the various structures of alkenes. Generally we know alkenes are sp3 hybridized carbon. It contains 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. The bond angle is 120. So it is a ethylene. Then cyclopentene, cyclohexene, so cycloactene. These are the various alkenes. This structure shows the overlapping, the orbital overlapping. So the 2p overlap, how the y bond will come, and then generally the bond length is 1.134 ppm. The structure shows the exact overlapping of the ethane molecule. Next, preparation of alkenes. First preparation is dehydration of alcohols. Take any alcohols in the presence of acidic strong acids like sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide, sulfur trioxide. These are the good dehydrating agent. So it eliminates the water molecule to give alkene, corresponding alkene. Next preparation is dehydrohalogenation of monohalides. So any base KOH, generally we used alcoholic KOH. Eliminate of minus HX to give corresponding alkene. Third preparation is dehalogenation of dihalides. So in the presence of zinc dust and ethanol, we get corresponding alkenes. Fourth preparation is Golf electrolysis. So electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salts of saturated carboxylic acids give the corresponding alkenes. Fifth one is from alkynes. It is addition reaction. You take alkyne in the presence of palladium, nickel, or platinum, the hydrogen molecule, you get corresponding alkyne. Another two reaction is more important reaction. Why it is more important? Because it is stereochemical aspects. The first one is Birch reduction. You take alkyne, lithium or sodium, liquid ammonia in the presence of ethanol, you get transalkene. It is nothing but Birch reduction. The next reaction is Lunar catalyst. So lunar catalyst is nothing but palladium, calcium carbonate in the presence of quinoline. You take alkyne, put lunar catalyst, you get cis isomer, cis alkene. So next, physical properties of alkene. Alkenes exist naturally in three states. The first three alkenes are gases, and the next 14 are liquids. Higher alkenes are solids. All alkenes are insoluble in water due to the weak van der Waals forces, but alkenes are soluble in organic solvent like benzene, acetone, chloroform. So because of the van der Waals force, replace the new one. Then density is lesser than the water. The boiling point and melting point of alkene is lower. The polarity of alkene will depend on the functional groups. So next, chemical reactions of alkenes. That image clearly shows various addition reactions in olefins. So already in first slide I explained alkenes are generally called olefins. So take simple olefin. There are a variety of reactions. First, halogenation reactions. You take olefin, you put any chloro, bromo, any halogen, you get halogenated, dihalogenated product. Then acid chloride, HOCl. You put olefin and add HOCl, get corresponding product. Then hydration reactions, water and acid in the presence of platinum H2 hydrogen molecule, get hydration product. Then epoxidation reactions, H2O2, nothing but peroxides or peracids, give epoxidation product. The next one is hydroboration. Hydroboration nothing but give alcohols. Then oxymercuration, demercuration. So mercuric acetate in the presence of ethanol, you get mercuriated product. Then carbon addition, this is nothing but a Siemens-Smith reaction. Diiodomethane, zinc, copper, and then ether, you get or cyclopropane ring is formed. This reaction is nothing but Siemens-Smith reaction. So another concept is addition to unsymmetrical alkenes. In previous concept we discussed addition to symmetrical olefins. Here addition to unsymmetrical olefin. Here important rule is adopted, nothing but Marganikov rule. This is one of the important rule. So Marganikov rule is nothing but unsymmetrical olefin undergo addition reactions. That addition is occur where? That is nothing but Marganikov addition. There are two products are there. First one is hydrogen added to the second carbon, then chlorine added to third carbon. Here chlorine is added to lesser number of the hydrogen. Hydrogen is added to higher number of the hydrogen containing carbon from the double bond. So why it is stable, why it is undergo organic, it is not undergo organic, it is nothing but stability, carbocation stability. It is a ozonolysis. Ozonolysis is nothing but alkene, put O3, you get two products of carbonyl products. It is nothing but oxidative cleavage. So across the double bond we get two oxygen, get corresponding carbonyl compounds. Next, uses of the alkenes. Alkenes find many diverse application in the industry. They are used as starting material in the synthesis of alcohols, plastics, lacquer, detergents and fuels. The most important alkene for the chemical industry are ethene, propene, 1,3 butadiene. Ethene is produced from natural gas and crude oil by cracking. Lower alkenes are used as fuel. This may be